Welcome to the new year with the Kelly's Kitchen, the family kitchen. We're going to be making an apple cake today, and we're going to start off by adding 1.5 cup of sugar in our mixer, and we're going to have 3 eggs, and we're going to have 1.5 cup of oil. I use olive oil. You could use whatever oil you choose. And we're going to also put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then we're going to give this a good mixing. So it's all well combined. So we're going to take 3 cups of flour and we're going to mix it in. And we're going to take 1 teaspoon of our baking soda. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix that together. But don't over mix it. Alright, so now it's all mixed up. And now we're going to add our apples, which is 3 Granny Smith apples that we've got. And we're going to fold them inside this mixture. We're just going to cut this in until it's good and mixed up. We're going to take a 9-inch bunnet pan and we're going to spray the sides with it and fold in it real good. Spread our dough out in the mix of it. Alright, so here's what we've got. Now we're going to put it in a preheated 325-degree oven. And we're going to cook it for 55 to 70. Alright, so now we're here to make the glaze. 1/2 stick of butter. Here, trash that little girl. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And this is all going to be cooked on medium heat. And 2 teaspoons of heavy cream. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we're going to stir this over on medium heat until it thickens. So we just keep stirring it down until it thickens up. This is your caramel for your top of your cake. Okay, so here's your texture that you're looking for, like this. And then that's our glaze for our cake. Okay, and that's what it looks like when it comes out of the pan. And we're going to put it on top. Okay, so while it's hot, we're going to pour this glaze right here on top of it. Just like that. And there's our apple cake with the glaze on it. I hope y'all enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe for me. And here's a glimpse of what it looks like when it's cut. So yummy.